In this video, let us learn how to divide the number 280 by 5 using the long division method. 2 is less than 5, that is why we will consider the number 28. We know that 5 times 5 is 25 and 25 is closer to 28. Subtract, we get a 3. Now this 3 is less than 5, that is why we need to bring down this number 0 here. And we know that 5 times 6 is 30. Subtract, we get a 0. As we have no number to bring down here and got the number 0, so we will stop. Therefore, 280 divided by 5 is equal to 56. And this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and comment on the video. Also do subscribe the channel.